Mom, I have a feeling that I forgot something.
Don't worry. If it's something important, you will remember.
What did I forget? Maybe if I close my eyes, I'll remember. I remembered!
Ethan! What are you thinking about? You almost hit the fence.
I forgot to wish my mom a happy birthday.
Yes, of course. Boys never remember about important things.
I should go back and congratulate my mom.
Without a gift?
Oh, right. Thanks for reminding me. I will give my mom a very special gift. You'll see.
You're a dreamer. What's special that you can give her? An elephant?
An elephant is a good gift, but they live in Africa. I must think. Oh, I have an idea. It will be so fun. Mom will scream with happiness.
Or maybe with fear. Adults don't like carousels, and also, who will let you take the roller coaster from the park?
Nobody will. I agree. Not a good idea. Oh, I have another idea.
Are you serious? You can never train these trolleykins. Your mom will be so angry with you.
What will I do? I never thought it'd be so hard to pick a gift for Mom. Oh, I know! No? You don't like this one either? What if I get her a butterfly net?
You're choosing gifts for you, not for your mom. She would not like any of these gifts.
Mr. Clockface, I'm looking for a gift for my mom. I can't find anything. Can you be my gift? Mom always needs to know what time it is.
Oh, Ethan, I'm afraid I'm not a very good gift anymore.
Ethan, Mrs. Duff always has gifts.
Mrs. Dove, what gift should I get for my mom? There's nothing left, Ethan. Come back tomorrow. I don't need it tomorrow. My mom's birthday is today. Well, let me see. I only have a balloon, but it's also a good gift to give, Ethan. Yeah, it's good. But everyone has balloons. I wanted to give her something special. But it's okay. I'll take the balloon. Mother dear, happy birthday. It flew away.
Ethan, don't worry. The gift doesn't matter. It's more important that you remembered about my birthday. You are the best son in the world.
Hey friends, press to subscribe and watch the new episodes.